How to withdraw money from freelance website. Once your funds reach the minimum amount required for withdrawals, you can request them to be withdrawn from your account. How do I withdraw money from my account? To withdraw money that you earned from the site, follow these steps. Log into your account, click on your profile photo thumbnail and select Withdraw Money. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, some are not available in some countries. Fill out the details of the withdrawals which will be specific to the chosen method. Click Withdraw Funds. You will receive an email notification for your submitted withdrawal request. The minimum withdrawal amount is $30, and all first withdrawal requests are delayed for 15 days for security reasons. The available withdrawal methods are these following: Bank Express Withdrawal, Bank Wire Transfer minimum $500, PayPal requires PayPal verification, Skrill does not support USD, Freelancer Debit Card. The availability of these withdrawal methods depends on your country.